Baiklah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First, let me introduce myself. My name is Kurniawan Saputra. I'm the part of Group 4. With the member of the group is the first one is Falah Putih Jeningrum. The second one is Juni Nurhajati. The third is Nur Hakiki, and the fourth is Widya Wihak, and the last one is me, Kurniawan Saputra. So today we would like to presentation about our material is about how to write a financial report. Before we talk more about how to write a financial report, I would like to explain about write a financial report a little bit. So to make informed financial discussion in some company, you first have to be well and informed. Understanding the financial activity of your company set the foundation for identify the good business opportunity and make the right decision in the future growth. By tracking, organizing, and analyzing financial performance, you will have a clear picture of where the money is going and where the money is coming from. To stay on the top of number, company use financial report. Financial report are formal documents that capture all the significant financial activity within a business in the specific period. In this discussion, we are going to walk through what financial reports are, why they are significant, and show you step by step to make or write a financial report. How to write financial report. Financial reports help you to understand your company financial performance, attract potential investor, and are legally required. This is why you have to make sure that they are as accurate as possible. You want your financial reports to be comprehensive, understandable, and precise. Even though creating a good financial report can very complex. So now we are going to show you step by step that will make the whole process much easier. So the first step will be explained by my member. So to the person who explained the first step is time and place is yours. To the next person. To Nur Hakiki.
Step 1. Make a balance sheet. A balance sheet is a financial statement that tracks the total amount of assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equities within your company. They also provide you with a real-time evaluation of asset liquidity and debt coverage. The balance sheet is useful as a tool for analyzing check in the financial condition of business from one period to another. The financial condition of a company can be a very crucial indicator in making business decisions in the future. If a company fails, the entire management system should be checked because in a balance sheet, a financial report, there is all information related to the shareholders of company, creditors, and various other policies. Most companies create balance sheets on quarterly basis and include the data from each quarter in the annual report. When creating a balance sheet, there is an asset page include available cash, equipment value, inventory value, and others. And liability page includes account payable, credit card balances, bank loans, and others that you need to fill. Once you total the assets and liabilities, you will subtract liabilities from the assets. The amount you get is what is called owner's equity. Step in making a balance sheet. 1. Specify the date and period of the report. 2. Asset identification. 3. Liability identification. 4. Calculate shareholder equity. And 5. Add total liabilities to total shareholders' equity and compare with assets. The next step with by Falahukti Guharianingrum.
Cash flow statement in which there are company income and expenses in a certain period. Every activity of a company will be included in the cash flow. Cash flow types. 1. Cash inflow. Cash inflow is a cash flow which contains all transactions that provide income to the company. The existence of transactions that enter the company's capital can increase, so that the company grows can also continue to increase. 2. Cash outflow is a cash flow that contains various kinds of transactions that can lead to a company's cash disbursement burden. Types of activities in cash flow. 1. Operating activities is a cash flow statement that refers to cash that actually comes from the company's business activities. 2. Investing activities. As the name suggests, investment cash flow activities can be considered as a company's net cash obtained from the company's investment activities. 3. Financing activities. Funding activities are report or cash flow activities resulting from the addition of company capital. The next step will be explained by Widya.
Okay, thanks to Hopi. I will explain about step 3 is create an income statement. The income statement records the company expense, revenue, and net loss or income over a specific time period. Balance sheets focus on the current activities and performance, while income sheets track them over a longer period. Business tend to track income statement each quarter to gain better insight into the different financial process that occur. Income statement include profit and losses, which is why there are also called P&L statement or profit and losses. The main element included on the income statement are: number 1 is operating revenue, financial debt regarding sales of product or service. And number 2, net and gross revenue is include the total sales revenue and remaining revenue or after the cost subtraction. And number 3 is primary expense. This include general cost, administrative cost, depreciation and selling, and COGS or cost of goods sold. And number 4 is secondary expense is capital loss, asset loss, debit interest, and loan interest. And finally is operating revenue. This is revenue that come from accrued interest. It includes investment return, capital gain, and royalty payment. Okay, the next step will be explained by Juni. Juni, the floor is yours.
Shareholder equity statement. Event to shareholder equity is also included on the balance sheet. Ledger company that to report these activities on a separate statement. This statement treats the amount of money key stakeholder invest in the business. The investment most company include a company stock and securities. After dividends are released to stockholder, they retain net earning in the company share. Stakeholder equity segment includes this key company. 1. Retained earning after dividends and loss have been subtracted. 2. Common atau private stock sales. 3. Purchased treasury stock. 4. Generate income, including the income that comes from unrealized capital gains. Element of equity. 1. Paid up capital. Paid in capital is the amount of money paid in by the owner or shareholder. Paid up capital is divided into types, namely share capital and additional paid in capital. 3. Undivided profit retained earning. Undistributed profit of retained earning is a collection of profit from previous years. There are no dividend as dividends. 3. Revaluation capital. Revaluation capital in the reference between the old books falls and the new book falls. 4. Donation capital. Donation capital is the capital obtained by the company because in acquires asset distributed from donation. 5. Of their capital. Examples of the capital are capital from reserves for repayment of debt and so on, which are not categorized in the four categories above. Types of equity. 1. Shareholders' equity. Shareholders' equity is the total cost of asset given to the shareholders of a company after deducting other debt or obligation. 2. Owner equity. Owner equity is the size of an ownership or the related business. Owner equity usually applies to small business. The importance of equity in the company. The equity values of a company reflects the book values of the company. This values is one of the factors that determine the company stock price. However, is not uncommon for us to find stock price that and here that the values of equity per shares of a company. Back to Kurniawan. Thank you.
Thank you for all the member for explain step by step. So that's all of step by step to make or write financial report. So I think that's all of our presentation for today. Thank you for the attention and the time. See you in the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.